All right, we wish the candidates all the best, but let's go to the Milimani Law Court. It's very, very important that we follow closely the developments in as far as the recusal of the three-judge bench is concerned. Now, the three-judge bench is set to rule on an application to recuse themselves from hearing a petition by impeached Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua challenging his ouster. That ruling is expected any time from now. But let us, of course, link up with our reporter, Fred Kagonye, who is at the Milimani Law Courts for an update. Fred, good afternoon. Please bring us up to speed. What is the atmosphere like? And are they arguing on basis of law or principle at this point in time? All right, there we have it. The session and the courts are just commencing. The three-judge bench has arrived, as you can see, taking their seats. We're then expecting that the three-judge bench will rule on that application on their recusal. That is the major thing expected today in the courts. If the three-judge bench will recuse themselves by this point in time, it is important that we just cross over and listen in.
This is the ruling in the same consolidated petitions. We have prepared an abridged ruling because, as you understand, we left this court very late last night. We have prepared a comprehensive ruling which we will upload in the CTS as soon as possible. But this is our finding on the ruling on the issue of recusal. The ruling deals with the background which we have given, introduction and background which we have given. We have summarized the applications, responses, and submissions made by all respective parties. At part 2, we have done analysis. We have identified the following issues for discussion and determination. And these issues are: 1, the concept of recusal. We discussed our understanding of the concept of recusal as well as the constitutional concept. B, we discussed the issue of bias, of impartiality as a ground for recusal. Under this, we have extensively analyzed Bangalore principles on judicial conduct and our judicial code of conduct, among others. We have also discussed the concept of actual and perceived bias as well as impartiality and considered several judicial decisions. C, the threshold on the recusal application on the grounds of bias and impartiality. The threshold of this ground is discussed also with reference to various discussions, various decisions. D, whether the applications are related. We have juxtaposed our discussions on the concept of recusal, the grounds raised for recusal in this case, which is bias and impartiality, with the specific environment in application and also against the evidence provided. There is an extensive discussion and analysis. This is our disposition. Having rendered ourselves above, we now wish to restate that given the public interest in this matter and the need for the interest of all Consequently, the following orders do hereby issued. 1. The application for refusal is allowed. 2. The petitioners are hereby granted leave to file and serve amended petitions, if need be, within 5 days of this order. The respondents likewise are granted leave to file and serve amended responses, if need be, within 5 days of service in the above. D. In view of the nature of the pending applications for conservatory orders and those seeking discharge view and satisfy the conservatory orders in cohort 2 petitions, we hereby direct as follows. The applications seeking to discharge, review, and set aside the conservatory orders shall be deemed as responses to the applications for conservatory orders. Parties are at liberty to file and serve any responses and all further responses to either of the applications together with skeleton submissions within 2 days of this order. The said applications to one above are hereby fixed for hearing on 29th of October 2024 at 10 a.m. in this court. Leave to appeal is hereby granted. Typed proceedings and certified copies of this ruling to be available to parties at cost or as the case may be. The directions herein shall be forthwith uploaded in the court tracking system. Those are the orders of this court.
All right, that is from the Milimani Local. It's a very brief moment there with, of course, the principal judge, Justice Eric Ogola, speaking on behalf of the three-judge bench. In fact, we were expecting then for the judges to speak on their recusal. I'm here with Wakili, who will help us interpret further that particular address or verdict. But remember, there is a hearing mentioned for the 29th of October, 2024 at 10 a.m. That is next week, 29th of October, 2024 at 10 a.m. We're again expecting the courts to resume for a hearing surrounding that same, trial. But of course, what we're seeing here is still some action in the Milimani Law Courts. We had to follow closely with the recusal of the three-judge bench. And the judge bench that we're talking about comprises of course, the principal judge, who is Justice Eric Ogola, who has spoken then on behalf of the three-judge bench, Justice Freda Mugambi, and Justice Anthony Murima. As moving forward, there are conversations and concerns around the basis of this recusal. Is it a matter of law? Is it a matter of principle? Earlier on yesterday, quite intense, we saw submissions now bringing in concerns on matters gifting and even spousal relations to this particular three-judge bench. But let's take a very short breather. When we come back, we go further into the analysis and even more detailed reports.